We really enjoyed our Thai Akha cooking class experience. From the market tour to the cooking itself, everything was smooth and seamless. Sandy, our cooking teacher, was very entertaining and gave us lots of historical info about Akha people. I highly recommend this to anyone. We attended a cooking class featuring 11 traditional Thai dishes in a beautifully clean and organized kitchen and classroom. The environment was as delightful as the cuisine. Our wonderful instructor guided us efficiently through each recipe, making the learning process enjoyable and informative. The dishes were not only delicious but also beautifully presented. The option to purchase beer or wine added to the experience, making it feel like a true culinary excellent cooking class. We made 10 small dishes, some by ourselves and others in groups with the teacher. It was really delicious and it allowed us to learn about the Akha culture. The classroom is really beautiful, the teacher attentive and interesting. She speaks very good English. I am vegetarian and the meal was able to adapt without problem. I loved everything about this class. You will learn so much but in such an easy way. The whole team is really great. Everything was perfectly organized. At first when I was how much we going to cook and that it takes 4 hours, I was a bit scared but it just went so quickly. I will definitely go again when I am back to Chiang Mai. And I recommend it to everyone, absolutely fantastic. Great communication with pickup/drop-off and meal selection. Ming and the rest of the staff was fantastic, great teacher and sense of humor. The whole experience was flawless from beginning to end. Be prepared to eat. Highly recommend this cooking class. Ming has very good sense of humor and very good at leading the whole cooking class. Besides, the cuisines which we follow the instructions of cooking are amazing. Enjoyed every moment of the cooking class. Ming was very patient and interacted well with everyone in the class, guiding us step by step on how to cook each Thai dish. Thoroughly enjoyed the experience of cooking and then having the dishes during the break time. Definitely should consider. The experience was incredible. Different from the activities that I took around Chiang Mai. A breath of fresh air. The host was very enthusiastic and fun to be with. Guided us with everything we need to do. Enjoyed it to bits and will definitely recommend. The cooking class experience was wonderful. We signed up for the evening class. Akha Kitchen picked us up at our hotel at 1630 sharp, which was very punctual. The instructor introduced some history of the Akha tribe before beginning the cook. We really liked this part as we could understand the food and the ingredients more. The difference between Akha and Thai food was interesting too. The instructor let each of us choose our own menu. The class arrangement was excellent. We cooked around 10 dishes. Time was arranged really well that we cooked, then we ate, we cooked then we ate again. The food was just at the best. I wanted to learn a lot, so I was curious about the market tour and the Akha minority, so I chose this class, and I was very satisfied. Come pick me up by tuk-tuk. Tour the market next to Wat Phamuan Temple, which is famous for massages, let me taste various foods, and teach you how to peel mangosteen by hand. Gave it. In the cooking class, cooking classes and tastings took place right in the neatly set kitchen in advance, and they talked about the Akha people and ant tasting, so I listened to them very interestingly.